My name is Vola Morozova, and my thesis, which is entitled The Biomedical Engineering Evolution, focuses mainly on the clinical engineering and medical device market. First of all, what do we mean with the term biomedical engineering? Biomedical engineering is a discipline that advances knowledge in engineering, biology, and medicine, and improves human health through cross-disciplinary activities that integrate engineering sciences with biomedical sciences and clinical practice. The most visible results of the work of biomedical engineers are biomedical diagnostic imaging equipment such as CT scans, the equipment for the treatment of diseases such as radiation therapy, prostheses, cartilage and tissue for rehabilitation, transplant organs. Nowadays, technology has an enormous impact on medicine. In research and in hospitals, the cooperation between biomedical engineers, chemists, biologists, and genetic researchers is essential to give shape to ideas and make them ready for use. The commitment of biomedical engineers is producing excellent results and is having a very positive impact on people's lives, and not only, but by improving the quality of their health. Among the more ambitious projects, we can mention the following: artificial hearts, transplantable by artificial kidneys, improvement in 3D printing organ with the cell sync, and certainly the constant commitment in the field of assisted reproduction. All this requires the commitment of highly qualified and well-trained engineers. An innovative approach for learning which sees as the central point of knowledge sharing and international cooperation. The list of top universities include MIT of Boston, the Harvard School of Engineering and Applied Sciences, Rochester Institute of Technology, the University of Sheffield, the Johns Hopkins School of Medicine, Campus Biomedical University in Rome. We can affirm that medicine and engineering have formed an essential union. The strong presence of technology in healthcare provides a constant contact with the equipment, which can be cutting-edge last generation, but unfortunately it can also be obsolete technology. And because of this, there is an urgent need for laws to regulate safety and the quality of services offered to patients. The National Health Service regularly publishes reports with statistical data and recommendations on how to improve the existing decision-making processes in the medical device industry. The main issues of the health technology management are cost rationalization and recovery of efficiency margins. And these are the core matters of my thesis. The introduction of managerial principles in the internal management of medical devices and control of the efficiency and quality through the institution of clinical engineering services. If we compare the situation 50 years ago, we can affirm that our consideration of clinical engineering and its organizational patterns have evolved to the point that a technician's role now includes managerial duties. A real revolution has occurred. What steps are being taken by the European community to support this evolution? In order to support the efforts of young bioengineers and small and medium enterprises in this sector, the European Union has created a special program called Horizon 2020. Horizon 2020 is the biggest EU research and innovation program ever, with nearly 80 billion euro of funding available over 7 years, from 2014 to 2020. In addition to the private investment that this money will attract. It promises more breakthroughs, discoveries and world firsts by taking great ideas from the lab to the market. The goal of the program is to improve the health of European citizens and boost the competitiveness of companies and industries operating in the health sector, while addressing global health issues, technologies that improve the quality of life, and life-saving technologies. But why right now so much attention being paid to biomedical technologies? It has been estimated that by 2020 the world population will have reached 7,657,000,000 people. Life expectancy in the world will exceed 70 years. In developed countries there will be more people over 65 than under 15. 52% of world population will be middle class. There will be 2 billion obese people in the world, a quarter of the world population. Healthcare expenditure will have increased by 50%, and different branches of the health will converge: nutrition, welfare, healthcare. All these factors will significantly affect the medical devices market. Already in 2012, the medical technology market has occupied its position as leader, where 39% of the market belonged to the United States, followed by the European Union with 28%. Over the next decade, the medical device markets will see significant opportunities for growth, with this market expansion due to the increase of the global population, to aging populations and chronic diseases. Apsicom industry research has stressed the importance of the key factors of market growth in Europe and Italy, which include the already mentioned and EU funding and other international fundings. Well, this short presentation is not intended as the point of arrival, but it is undoubtedly a starting point to understand the biomedical technology sector. Thank you for your attention.